Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the ultimate fusion of power and beauty, the Lamborghini Revuelto. This stunning supercar is not for the faint of heart, with a ferocious V12 engine that churns out over 800 horsepower and a top speed of 350 km/h. But it's not just the raw power. I am Aaron, and this is why. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a true work of art, with a sleek and aerodynamic design that turns heads everywhere it goes. From the luxurious leather interior to the state-of-the-art technology, every detail of the Revuelto is crafted to perfection. It has been designed to replace the ferocious Lamborghini Aventador. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a supercar that is truly in a league of its own. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, this car is a true masterpiece of Italian engineering. And with a massive 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces a staggering 770 horsepower, the Revuelto is a force to be reckoned with on. Under the hood of the Revuelto lies a massive 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces over 770 horsepower, capable of propelling the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds. Its advanced aerodynamics ensure that the car is stable at high speeds, allowing for an exhilarating driving experience. So, whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Lamborghini Revuelto is sure to leave you in awe. But how much is it life? Well, I estimate the Revuelto could start at around $550,000, which is around $20,000 more than the starting price of its direct competitor, the V8 hybrid Ferrari SF90. Please let me know if you wish to own one of Lamborghini Revuelto.